Assalamu alaikum kids. You are welcome to another dua and azkar video with Teacher B. In today's video, we are going to learn the dua that you say when it's raining. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us this dua and we have to say it whenever it's raining. What is the dua? Allahumma sayyiban nafi'a. Allahumma sayyiban nafi'a. Now I want you to repeat after me. Allahumma sayyiban nafi'a. Allahumma sayyiban nafi'a. One more time. Allahumma sayyiban nafi'a. Now let's say it together. Allahumma sayyiban nafi'a. Allahumma sayyiban nafi'an. So what's the meaning of this dua? The dua simply means, "O Allah, make it a beneficial rain." Do you know that sometimes the rain can cause havoc? It can cause flood that will destroy lives and properties. And that is why whenever it is raining, we should ask Allah to make the rain a beneficial one that will not destroy our properties or take our lives. And also, the Prophet ﷺ taught us that one of the times that Allah accepts our dua is when it's raining. So, whenever it's raining, you should raise your hands and make dua to ask Allah for whatsoever it is that you want. If you want good life, if you want knowledge, if you want wealth, whatever it is that you want, whenever it's raining, raise your hands and ask Allah to grant you whatever it is that you want. So, during the rain is one of the time that Allah accepts our dua. So you should always make use of that opportunity. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Assalamu alaikum.